my gosh!
Okay, picture.
Oh my gosh!
Hey.
So now we're by the side of the road. Because now we're gonna go visit some pythons. Hello, Mr. Crow. Up there. Just chilling. Isang tuklo lang ha. Wala nang balikan ha. Akin na yan.
Tigas.
Podcast talaga yan.
Oh.
Wow, matching set.
Iharap mo yung ano.
She's not scared.
May ganito kami dati.
Okay, sorry.
Si Kuya RJ.
No wonder why. They've had one before. Vietnam! Oh my god!
Meron bitin. Ay, ito bitin. Anong bitin ng matapang, no?
That was a pretty exciting experience. I don't know, it's not every day you get to put a snake around your neck. So now we're at this place called Habitat, and I believe it's a butterfly enclosure. So the guy in purple, he's actual guide.
Ito yung tinatawag na birdwing kasi para silang ibon pag lumilipad kaya birdwing.
Malaki ito o yan?
Ito mukhang butterfly sir pero musik kayo eh. Koreo, chucho kore. Kaya ko.
Pwede kainin?
There's such a thing as half female butterfly, half male butterfly.
Lalaki pa pa.
No way. There's no way. It's like when you're in Thailand, you can't really tell if they're a guy or a girl. They're saying it's a gay butterfly or a tomboy. So once again, we're inside the butterfly enclosure, as you can see from the nets. There's nets everywhere. There's one.
Look to each other.
Pretty good.
Don't look
So I don't know if you guys saw it. They like to take different kind of photos with the butterflies inside the actual like glass, so that you can picture it like with your hands or on your back, and that's what they're doing here. So when they jump, yeah, and take the photo, it looks like they got butterfly wings. You get it? You get it? Like the tour guides here, they know jokes in all these different languages. So when they speak to Chinese people, even German people, Japanese, they have all these different kind of like one-line jokes for them and stuff. Which is pretty funny. It's pretty good. Hi. Which is pretty good because you know it's a lot more entertaining. The tour guys were actually joking with us as well that they have homemade butterfly ice cream. So I'm guessing that's what it is. I've never tasted what homemade butterfly ice cream tastes like, so I might actually give it a go. So we stopped by the middle of the road to have a look at this man-made forest. So it's really like common for tourists to actually stop in the middle of like the road to actually take photos because yeah, these are all mahogany trees and they look really nice. It's a really peaceful and it's just like a nice environment to be in. It's good to just have a look around and just have a just take in nature. It's fantastic. Raquel taking photos. So there's Raquel taking photos of me. I'm just vlogging. Check this out. Look at all the people on top of the bus. You can see why a lot of people are risking their lives here every time they actually have a try to take photos here. But like our driver is pretty good at photographer, so I'm pretty happy. Are you happy with the photos?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's a samoyed.
Oh, it's a samoyed. I thought that was our photos. We are now at the Bohol Tarsiers tourist spot, I guess. And if you guys don't know what Tarsiers are, there's really cute little monkey like furball animals that have really big eyes. I don't know if you've ever seen them before, but we'll go see them later. Tarsier. There's also another example of a tarsier with big eyes. If you could have like a mascot tarsier costume, this is what it looked like. High five! High five! High five! High five! High five! Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah, ganyan po.
I love Bohol. I definitely love Bohol. Yeah, I do.
Dapat marunong kang humanap.
Have to be really quiet now, because apparently Tarsiers are really endangered now. People have been like hunting them and mistreating them, so now you can't even take flash with Tarsiers because it kind of hurts their eyes, I think. And there's a lot of scary spiders. This is the second time I saw the spider. These spiders be following me, bro. That way? This way? Alright. So currently all the Tarsiers are actually sleeping at the moment. That's why you'll see none of them actually be awake, because they're during the day is when they're sleeping. During at night is when they're most active. So they're actually they're nocturnal animals. It's weird how they just like sleep like holding a branch. They're so cute. It's really good that they have these kind of places to actually look after endangered species. Hopefully these people help in the actual recovering process of, you know, making more tarsiers and stuff, because yeah, the world needs more of that kind of those kind of organizations helping up animals endangered. So we have entered the Tarsier wonderland of merchandising, and everything here is related to Bohol and Tarsiers. So that's Tarsiers done. I don't know how many more activities we got, but yeah, like it just goes to show how much you can actually do in Bohol, especially when it's not raining, because yeah, it looks a lot more prettier, Bohol, I gotta admit, like during the daytime when it's not raining and not cloudy. Yeah, it's actually, Bohol is a really beautiful place, and I really encourage people to actually come here because it's so beautiful. Ah! Knocked out. I've had a long day already. And as I go and show that dog, there's so many stray dogs here in Philippines, seriously. Like when you're driving out to all your tourist destinations, there's always at least like 7 dogs you can see on the road that you almost run over. What's up guys? So we were actually given a chance to actually go to a beach with actually really nice weather. This is Dumaluan Beach. It's actually a private, it's a public one. That's why there's so much people. So over down there is a private, that area down there, that's a private area. Down here is actual public area. So we're in the public area because we didn't want to pay for the private one, because you actually have to be a guest, or you have to actually check in there so you can actually take part in the private pool, which has less people. But I don't know, it doesn't matter. It's the same beach everywhere. And because there's such good weather, I was able to get some, like fairly decent like drone footage. And it's a good way to kind of finish off the day. It's not hot, the sun's about to go down, and it's fun. It's actually funny how there's so many foreigners here. No, like I'm not kidding, there's so many foreigners. That's why, yeah, I really advise you guys, if you guys ever come to Bohol, check out the beaches here. It doesn't have to be this beach, just go to any beach and I bet you'll be fun. Alright, let's get going. Definitely guys, if you're in Philippines and you do feel like traveling, definitely check out the Bohol area, the Bohol Island, because they've got so much to do here. I don't know if you guys actually saw in my actual vlog, but yeah, hopefully you guys can get some pointers from this vlog. Okay, if you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe, or please give this video a really big thumbs up, because I really appreciate it. It's actually a lot of hard work vlogging and trying to have fun at the same time. So yeah, thanks once again for watching guys, and I hope to see you guys soon. Take care.
some time, but we pointed out that tomorrow isn't here right now, baby. An absent mind came to roam around, captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. See it clear when the shadows are lit, I'm ready to go. I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go. I'll take the lead, I'm ready to go. Bumps in the road, many obstacles, but when we fall, we get up and go, baby. The way they think is paradoxical.